Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change server on Ome TV. Let's get started. First, launch the Ome TV app on your mobile device or visit the Ome TV website on your browser. On the home screen, you should see a flag icon or country name at the top or bottom corner of the interface. Tap on it or click on it. Then a list of available countries regions will appear. Scroll and choose the country you want to connect to. Tap on it to see it as preferred server. If the option doesn't appear, it may be unavailable in your region, blocked due Ome TV current server policies. The thing you should do is use a VPN. If Ome TV doesn't allow you to change servers manually, download a reliable VPN like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or ProtonVPN. Connect to the different country server via the VPN. Open Ome TV again. Your location will now reflect the VPN server's country. Once your region is changed, hit start and you'll be matched with users from the selected country. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.